Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Yesterday I reported that Coach Prosper Narteh has changed his Twitter profile bio, saying that he's the former coach of Asante Kotoko. Today, he has released a farewell note to Asante Kotoko, and we are going to be looking at that. So if you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit that notification bell before we continue. Have you subscribed? Alright, let's get into it. In his farewell message to Kotoko fans and to the club and to the stakeholders, this is what he said. He said, "My journey at Kotoko was short-lived, but the varied experience during this period will always remain dear. The passion, warmth, and love I was welcomed with made me feel at home. Indeed, my dream of becoming a Kotoko coach, which I constantly told my students, had come to reality. Though enthused about joining one of the biggest clubs in Africa, I knew I was brought there for a reason. The mission was to deliver." Our journey as a team met some obstacles when we lost some matches and missed out trophies, but continually enjoyed the unflinching support of the fabulous family and soared. The backing of our supporters over memorable with wins at Doma, Takwa and Sogakope made us feel like champions. Our efforts were crowned with the winning of the Ghana Premier League after 8 years, making Kotoko the best club for the season. Taking Kotoko to Africa and defending the league was my aim, but it's regrettable that I must leave midstream. I believe my departure is for the best interest of the club. I extend my warmest appreciations to His Royal Majesty Otunfo Osei Tutu or the second, the board and the management of the club for the opportunity, belief and trust reposed in me and my team, and made my dream a reality. To the technical and medical team, the legends as well as the playing body, I am most grateful for your support. To the supporters, I doff my hat to you. You truly stood with me, sincerely inspired me. I have always felt loved, cherished, and valued. Your passion for the club was my inspiration. If any action of mine caused any pain, I am sorry. You are and will remain family. Truthfully, I humbled and hope our paths cross again. Dr. Prosper Narteh Ogum. Now, let's take a look at what he said in his farewell message. First of all, he's saying in the third paragraph, he said, "Taking Kotoko to Africa and defending the league trophy was my aim." Now, reports stated that he was scared of, rumors and, local chattering in the local media was that Prosper Narteh was scared of defending Kotoko title and also scared of the challenge of taking Kotoko to Africa, so he wanted to live on a high. In the third paragraph, he said taking Kotoko to Africa and defending the league trophy. So he's basically answering that that rumor that he was scared of defending a title and taking Kotoko to Africa. So that's why he used that. Then he said his departure is best for the club. I don't know what that means. If you know what that means, please put that in the comment section, because I've tried my best to understand what that part means. Best for the club. I don't know. So if you know, please put that in the comment section and tell me what you think that particular place means. Then he's saying that if he had done anything at the club, the results, his attitude, changes that you don't like, and ultimately his resignation. If he has done that to the fans, he's telling you that he's sorry. If any of his actions caused you pain, he's sorry. He's saying that in this, and he's saying that he hopes our paths cross again. He hopes that Kotoko and Prosper Narteh come again to in the future to do business. I know most fans won't want him close to the club anymore, but he's hoping that we cross paths again in the future. So that's basically what Prosper Narteh wrote as his farewell to the club and to the fans. So Kotoko are yet to announce a new coach. In fact, Kotoko are yet to announce his departure officially. So we are waiting for that, and we are thinking that they are waiting till they get a new coach before they actually announce the departure of the coach Prosper Narteh. So I think that's over today. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and click the notification bell. I'll be posting more news in the coming days. Like I might post another news this today. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe. I talk about Kotoko and Kotoko news. Talk about team selection, everything that has to do with Kotoko on this channel. All right, till next time, guys. Peace out.